Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to make tostadas. Okay, so we have many ingredients. First, we have refried beans, seasoned taco meat, shredded lettuce, olives, onions, avocado, diced tomatoes, Monterey Jack and shredded cheddar cheese, cilantro, and my chipotle pineapple sour cream. Okay, and let's not forget the main ingredient, and that is corn tortillas. They call this, the French, they call this mise en place. I don't know what that means. The French are crazy. I think it means to have all the ingredients you need ready to go, something like that. Okay, so I start by frying the tortillas, and I try to make this at 350 degrees. I don't know if it's correct, but that is what I try for. Oh, maybe too much. Maybe too much heat. I don't know. When we do this, I make 6. I tried for 6. I don't know if I get 6, but I tried for 6. Oh yes. That is very good. You turn a tortilla many times. You hold it under the oil. Okay. There is one. And you need the paper towels because there's too much oil. And you get the second one going. Oh. This smells very good. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay. Now we have 2. We have dos tortillas. Haha. Yes. Oh yeah. You do this many times, you make fantastico tortillas, fantastico tostadas. I use the corn oil. That is what is traditional. Okay? So I have 3 tortillas. And now we do 4. Coño! You don't fall over on yourself. What you doing? I use the cast iron skillet, but no es necesito. You can use a frying pan. You can use a pot. It doesn't matter. Just that you get the tortillas crispy. Oh yes. Okay. 2 más. And we are done. Then I show you the rest of the way to make these wonderful tostadas. They say it's like a mini Mexican pizza. I don't know about that. It's not Taco Bell, okay? There are many amazing things you can do with tostadas. You don't have to use beef, you don't have to use chicken, you don't have to use steak. You can make vegetarian tostadas. I don't do that. That's crazy. But you know, Many people like many different things. Should you put an egg on a tostada? I don't know. It's all about what you're in the mood for. Okay? Oh yes, it smells fucking amazing. You know I make the very best food, right? Pedro's, he's okay. But he cannot cook like me. Okay, so we take our tortillas and we put them on this sheet pan. Okay? I make 6 because I am very hungry. Okay, so we take our refried beans. Coño. I just make these, they are very hard. Coño. I use my hands. The spatula is merely. Stupid little mirror lid. Okay, so I do 1, I do 2, I do 3. Coño, it's like mud. Do 4. Come on, come on. Coño. It's like you have mud on your hands. Sticky mud. Uno más. Okay. You need the refried beans. It's muy importante when you make tostadas. Okay. So I rinse my hands. Oh, it's like sticky mud. That's crazy. Okay, so I have my taco seasoned beef. Okay. I love the taco seasoned beef. Come on. It smells so good. Oh yes. Now, this is 1 pound of beef. You can make more, but I think this is good for 6 tostadas. Tostadas, coño. Okay. So now I add the cheese. There's cheddar cheese and Monterey Jack cheese. Okay. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 y 6. I love that cheese. Oh yes. Okay, so I have my oven at 400 degrees. Okay, so I do this for 2-3 minutes. Okay, and melt all that. And I get rid of this fucking thing. You are a waste of my time and money and patience. You go. Okay. You go too. This pan, oh yeah, it's very hot. I don't need no more refried beans. You go bye-bye. I don't need no more cheese. I think I give the taco meat to my dog. Shiva! Shiva! Do you want the taco meat? Do you want the taco meat, Shiva? Okay. You'll get the taco meat. Okay, I put away the tortillas because I am done. Do you remember the pineapple chipotle sour cream? This goes very good on the tostadas. Okay, what you got? You need a minute. Oh, I don't know what I do with this foil. It's very hot. I cannot put it in the garbage can right now because it will melt the garbage can. So I wait. Okay. I temp the oil. I tried to get it to 350 degrees, but I don't know. It does not go that high. Okay. Hot. Come on, tostadas. You're taking too much time. I don't want this video to be that long. That Ross makes long videos, but fuck that. Fuck that Ross. You need to make the shorter videos so people keep watching. Otherwise, nobody watch your video. Oh. Okay, wait. That looks pretty good to me. Did you see that? Okay. So, take that out. Then, in this order, you add the avocado. Come on. Coño! Stupid cheese. I love the cheese, but cheese, you are pissing me off. Come on. Coño! Okay, avocado. You work with me. Come on. I do not have enough avocado. Okay. That will work. I make that work. Then, coño. Try the lettuce. Okay. Then, try the tomatoes. Try the onions. Oh, these onions are very strong. Try the olives. Try cilantro. Coño, that is too much. And last, you add the pineapple chipotle sour cream. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on. The pepper gets stuck in the fucking bottle. Come on. Fucking piece of shit. Come on. Okay. Look at that. Does that not look amazing? Okay. So I grab a plate.
Wonder if dogs were as active as you.
I take the tostada. Oh, I think I put too much on.
Gatorade electrolytes and no sugar. Propel is how Gatorade does water.
Oh yes. That looks fucking amazing. Anyway. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, to comment, to subscribe to Ted Rose's channel, The Alias. And I will see you again. So say goodnight to the bad guy. You will see me again.